Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default view on Reddit. Now, as you can see here on Reddit, it's currently showing that it's in the card view. And if I scroll to the top, you will see that it shows that it's currently in card view right here. And this is the current one. So card view and you have compact view. But if you want to change this by default, so it shows whichever, then I'm going to show you how to check that. So go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side. And from here, you want to click on settings. Now, under the settings section, click on your preferences, guys, and you want to go down to where it says accessibility. And here you have the default feed view. So you can click on that and change that to compact. And this is once you click on done and go back to your home page, it's going to have it like that. And each time you log into Reddit, it's going to show just like this. So if you're looking for how to change your default feed view, this is how you can actually change it to the default one of your choice. And that's pretty much it, guys.